What are you doing, Leah?
I'm exercising.
Oh. Why are you exercising? Why? Why are you exercising?
I love it.
You love it? What happens when you exercise?
I get a sweaty.
Oh, you get all sweaty? Do you know what gets bigger when you exercise?
Huh?
What happens if you exercise? If you lift weights, what gets bigger?
Huh?
Huh? You don't know. Show me some more exercises. Do you have muscles?
No.
You don't have any muscles. No, why not?
You, come here.
Mm-hmm.